Senate President Francis Chis Escudero refutes claims linking him to alleged budget insertions, calling it a smear campaign. He backs the president's anti-corruption drive and vows to file a bill banning officials and their relatives from being government contractors. Daniel Manalastas reports.
As reports of alleged billions worth of budget insertions surfaced in some news reports, Senate President Francis Escudero denied all these allegations that he had a hand on this, describing it as a mere demolition job.
Nabalita na sa akin yan. Nagagamitin laban sa akin yan kaugnay sa isang demolition job, kaugnay sa napipintong halalan ng Senate President. Pero sinasagot pa rin kita ngayon, bagaman tapos na, ang halalang yon. Kung iimbestigahan yan, dapat imbestigahan lamang. Nagsalita na ang Executive Secretary. Imbestigahan daw hindi lamang yung sa panahon ni Pangulong Marcos, pero yung mga nagdaang administrasyon din.
Did you or did you not introduce...
No. 150 billion? No, of course not.
Yesterday, during his State of the Nation address, the President also underscored his strong stance against corruption.
Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino. Mahiya naman kayo sa mga kabahayan nating naanod o nalubog sa mga pagbaha. Mahiya naman kayo lalo sa mga anak natin na magmamana sa mga utang na ginawa ninyo na binulsa nyo lang ang pera.
And to aid the President's fight against corruption, Escudero said he will file this measure.
Na ang layunin, ipagbawal up to the fourth civil degree of consanguinity and affinity ang sinumang mambabatas o opisyal ng pamahalaan, nasyonal man o lokal, na maging kontraktor o supplier sa pamahalaan. Para sa akin, klarong conflict of interest yun.
The minority bloc, along with some majority bloc senators Kiko Pangilinan and Bam Aquino, filed a resolution seeking to make the deliberations at the Bicameral Conference Committee open to the public, wherein according to the resolution, corruption and harmful political insertions in legislation lead to the unfair use of public funds.
Pagka may Bicameral Conference Committee, dapat hindi closed door. Dapat even civil society is allowed, even those concerned are allowed. Hindi pa pwedeng isang tao lang ang BICAM. Hindi pwedeng sino-sino lang.
The Senate Minority Bloc, meanwhile, held a caucus earlier today. Minority Leader Tito Soto said they'll meet regularly to make sure their stand is clear and their work is focused on protecting public interest. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.